Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel of Genius Public Inter College. Okay, then exercise 6.2. This question is of exercise 6.2 and it is on page number 95 and she is asking question number 3 first and second bit. Let's see first bit क्या है और second bit क्या है. In the first bit the question is like you have to simplify 2 to the power 3 into 2 whole power 2. You have to simplify this thing. आपको क्या करना है, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. अभी देखो यहाँ पर हम लॉज यूज़ करेंगे. हियर वी कैन मेक यूज़ ऑफ दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 2 to the power नथिंग मीन्स हियर 1 इज़ एग्जिस्टिंग. यहाँ पर 2 की पावर कुछ नहीं है, मतलब क्या है, यहाँ पर 1 है. So this is in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n and this is equals to, ये किसके इक्वल होता है, ये किसके इक्वल होता है. If we are having the same base different powers, तो पावर्स क्या होती हैं. So this is equals to a to the power m प्लस n के इक्वल है कि नहीं है. yes, so this is in the form of a to the power m whole into a to the power n. so we are going to add up the powers because here we have same base and different powers. This we will get as 2 to the power 3 plus 1 whole power 2. fine. Now 2 to the power 3 plus 1 is nothing but 2 to the power 4 and here we have whole power 2. Now this one is in the form of a to the power m whole power n. This is in the form of a to the power m whole power n. और ये क्या होता है, अगर ऐसा कुछ दिया हो तो हम पावर्स के साथ क्या करते हैं. yes, we multiply the power. so this is a to the power m into n. here this is our a, 4 is our m and 2 is our n. so here yes, very good, this is 2 to the power 8 as we are going to multiply the powers. 2 to the power 4 into 2 is equals to 2 to the power 8. This is the first bit of question number 3 and next she has asked second bit of question number 3. so in the second bit it is given as 5 to the power 8 divided by 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. so as in the denominator we have two exponential forms. so first of all we are going to simplify the denominator. see again, just like the first one, here we have this is in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n. it means we are going to add up the powers. this will become 5 to the power 3 plus 3. we'll get it as 5 to the power 8 divided by 5 to the power 3 plus 3 is 6. now see, this is in the form of a to the power m divided by a to the power, yes बोलिए. okay, I'm sorry, just make it 5, make it 5. so here we will get 8. fine. now this is in the form of a to the power m divided by a to the power n, which is nothing but equals to a to the power m minus n. so we are going to subtract the powers. a to the power, because your base is same, powers are either different or same, we have to subtract the power because it is divided. 8 minus 8 is nothing but 0 and anything to the power 0 is always equals to 1. yes, anything to the power 0 is always equals to 1. so here 5 to the power 0, the value of this is equals to 1. is it clear? yes, next question please. Any other doubt from exercise 6.2? Okay, question number 4. Question number 4, bit number second. Look at the exercise again. This is the question of exercise 6.2. Question number 4, bit number second. And the question is like 5 to the power 2 whole cube into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. So first of all we are going to simplify our brackets. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, brackets को simplify करेंगे. So look over here, this is in the form of e to the power m whole power n. So yes, powers get multiplied. This will become as m into n. So here we can write directly. I'm going to multiply it. 5 to the power 2 3s are 6 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. Same base, different powers, multiply together. Yes, the powers will get added up. So here we can write 5 to the power 6 plus 4, and 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10, divided by 5 to the power 7. Again we have same base, different powers, and these are being divide हो रहे हैं, तो powers क्या होंगी? Yes, powers will get subtracted. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Is it clear to you? Tanya, is it clear to you? This you can write in the fractional form ना. This can be also written as 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. ऐसा भी तो लिख सकते हो. Both are the same things. Whether you write the division sign or else you'll write it in the fractional forms, दोनों same ही है. So this is in the form of a to the power m whole divided by a to the power n. So powers will get subtracted. So 5 to the power 10 minus 7 हो जाएगा, and this is 5 to the power 3. अभी clear है? Okay, next question from 6.2. Okay, again question number 4, same exercise, question number 4 and bit number 3. And the question is like 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 into 2 to the power 5. Here this 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 divided by, here see 2 to the power nothing means 1 is over there, and here we have same base and different powers. It means powers will get added up. Powers क्या हो जाएंगी? Add हो जाएंगी. So it will become 2 to the power 6. 5 plus 1 is nothing but 6. ये हो जाएगा 2 to the power 6. Just a minute. Now see over here. Here we have 2, 2 and 2. It is repeating for 3 times. Here it is 2 to the power 1, again 2 to the power 1, and this is 2 to the power 4. So all these are multiplied together, so we can add up the powers. 1 plus 1 plus 4, and we are left with into 3 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 6. This will become as 2 to the power 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 4 whole divided by 2 to the power 6. This will get cancelled, and we will get our final answer, that is 3 to the power 4. And if you want to simplify, it will become 81. Is it clear? So you can do it in 2 steps if you have doubt. 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square, right? Into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 6. Now 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 4. Just for a moment forget about this 3 to the power 4. भूल जाओ कि बीच में ये भी है. Here we have same base, different powers and multiplied together. It means they will get added up. Add हो जाएंगे. So 2 to the power 2 plus 4 क्या हो जाएगा? 6 हो जाएगा. And here we are getting the same thing, 2 to the power 6. You can do one more step if you want. Okay, next question. Do you have doubt from the review exercise? रिव्यू एक्सरसाइज से डाउट है? Okay, fine. Coming to the review exercise of chapter number 6, that is on page number 99. Just look at page number 99 of your textbook. On page number 99, look at the question number 9, second bit. And the question is like minus 1 by 5 to the power p plus 1 into minus 1 by 5 to the power 5 is equals to minus 1 by 5 to the power 9. You have to find the value of p. हमें क्या करना है? p की वैल्यू को फाइंड करना है. सो उसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. सी here we are having the same base, minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. In LHS as well as in RHS we have same base, that is minus 1 by 5. So and these two are being multiplied together. ये क्या हो रहे हैं? साथ में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं. So can we add up the powers? क्या हम पावर्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं? Yes, then we can write it as minus 1 by 5 and the powers will get added up. That is p plus 1 plus 5. Fine, we are having the same base with different powers and multiplied together. It means we can add up the powers, and this is equals to minus 1 by 5 whole power 9. Is it clear up to here? यहाँ समझ में आया क्या हुआ है? Next you see, just add them up first of all. Minus 1 by 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, so we can write it as p plus 6 is equals to minus 1 by 5 whole to the power 9. If you remember your previous class, there also we have solved such kind of questions. Here LHS and RHS both are given equal. LHS और RHS दिया हुआ है कि दोनों कैसे हैं? Equal हैं. This is given in the question itself. And this base is also equal. दोनों एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में ये बेस भी क्या है आपका? इक्वल है. तो बेस इक्वल है तो ये LHS RHS कब इक्वल होंगे? जब ये पावर्स भी इक्वल हो है. So we can say that these powers are also equal. It means p plus 6 is equals to 9. ये powers भी क्या है हमारी? equal है, हम बोल सकते हैं. From here we will get the value of p. p is equals to 9 minus, we'll shift this 6 to the right hand side. This is 9 minus 6 and is equals to 3. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Any other question from review exercise? Yes. Okay, look at the question number 6 of review exercise of chapter number 6, that is on page number 98. You can check out page number 98, there question number 6. And third bit, the question is like minus 3/7. This power of we have solved the same kind of question from your exercise as well, right? ऐसा सेम क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज में भी किया था हमने, सेम बिल्कुल सिमिलर क्वेश्चन था, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर. दिस इज इक्वल्स टू -7/3 whole power -18. So first of all we have to simplify it step by step. So simplify करेंगे. Look at this one. Just for a moment forget about this bracket. This is in the form of a to the power m whole power n. एक मोमेंट के लिए इस ब्रैकेट को भूल जाओ. तो हमारे पास क्या है, a to the power m and whole power n, and that is nothing but a to the power m into n powers get multiplied. So we can write it as -3 to the power 7, and these two powers will get multiplied. So -2 into 3 is -6 whole to the power p, and in the RHS we have -7/3 whole to the power -18. यहाँ तक क्लियर है क्या हुआ? Is it clear up to here? Okay, fine. Again this one is in the form of a to the power m whole power n. Again we are going to multiply the powers. So we will get -3/7 whole power -6 into p is nothing but -6p. If we multiply -6 and p, we will get -6p. This is equals to -7/3 whole to the power -18. Now the difference over here is this is -3/7 and this is -7/3. यहाँ पर बेस डिफरेंट है, सेम नहीं है. सो वी कान से दैट दिस पावर्स आर इक्वल. हम डायरेक्टली कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं कि ये पावर्स इक्वल हैं. सो कैन वी मेक द बेस सेम? क्या हम बेस को सेम बना सकते हैं कुछ करके? कैसे? यस, वेरी गुड. वी कैन टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस. दिस इज -3/7 whole power -6p is equals to, if you will reciprocal it, the power will become positive. This will become -3/7 और रेसिप्रोकल करने पे पावर क्या है, कैसी हो जाएगी? पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर हम पावर पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हमेशा क्या करते हैं, रेसिप्रोकल करते हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट वी हैव सेम बेस एंड दीज टू आर इक्वल. LHS एंड RHS आर इक्वल. इट मीन्स पावर्स भी कैसी होंगी, इक्वल होंगी. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू -6p इज इक्वल्स टू 18. दीज टू आर मल्टीप्लाइड टुगेदर. सो 6 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? यस, डिवाइड हो जाएगा. एंड दिस इज 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. We will get the answer as -3. So here the value of p is -3. क्लियर है ये? क्लियर है? ओके फाइन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. ओके, लुक एट द पेज नंबर 99 from hot questions, question number 2, and the question is you have to simplify it, evaluate it. That is 14 to the power 7 into 4 to the power 7 into 25 to the power 5 into 81 to the power 3 whole divided by 15 to the power 7 into 12 to the power 5 into 80 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 7. This is the question and we have to simplify it. ध्यान से देखना थोड़ा. 14 can be written as 2 into 7. 14 को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 2 into 7 and its power is 7. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 4 को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 into 2 and its power is again 7. You have to write it in the form of prime factors. Prime numbers की multiplication करके लिखनी है. 25 can be written as 5 into 5 and its power is 5. 81 can be written as C 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You have to write the prime factorization. Prime factors लिखने हैं. See 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are is 81. Whole divided by 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Its power is 7. Into 12 can be written as 3 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Its power is 5. Again 80 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80. इफ़ यू कांट राइट इट डायरेक्टली, आप प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कर लेना अगर डायरेक्टली लिख नहीं पा रहे हो तो. एंड इट्स पावर इज 3 एंड 7 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर इटसेल्फ. इसके फैक्टर्स लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 7 to the power 7 हो गया. इतने में कुछ डाउट? इतने में कुछ डाउट है? ओके फाइन. See this is in the form of a into m whole power n. तो इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं a to the power n into b to the power m. लिख सकते हैं ऐसे. into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square and its whole power is 7. 5 into 5 can be written as 5 square and its whole power is 5. 3 is multiplied for 4 times, so it can be written as 3 to the power 4 and its whole power is 3. Coming to the denominator, again it can be written as 3 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 7. This can be written as 3 into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square and its whole power is 5 into this can be written as 2 to the power 1 2 3 4. It is multiplied for 4 times into 5 to the power 3 and into this will write as it is 7 to the power 7. Is it clear up to here? Okay. In the next step, just open the brackets. This is 2 to the power 7 into see, can we cancel these two? 7 to the power 7 and 7 to the power 7 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा छोटा हो जाएगा, कैंसिल कर देंगे तो वी आर एंड दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a to the power m whole power n. It means we can write it as powers will get multiplied. 2 to the power 14 into this is 5 to the power, again this will get multiplied 10 into 3 to the power, again this will get multiplied 12 whole divided by this is 3 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 7 into this we can write as 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 into 2. See, powers will get multiplied. So this is 10 into this we can write as 2 to the power, see this is inside the bracket and its whole power is 3. So 3 4s are 12 into 5 to the power 3 because here we have 1, so 1 into 3 is 3 and this we have cancelled out. इतना क्लियर हुआ? नाउ फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सिंप्लीफाई द डिनोमिनेटर्स. ऊपर तो सब कुछ सिंप्लीफाइड ही है. 2 to the power 7. See, it is 2 to the power 7 and this is 2 to the power 14. Powers will get added up. Powers add हो जाएंगी तो क्या आ जाएगा? 2 to the power 21 इंटू 5 to the power 10 इंटू 3 to the power 12. और डिनोमिनेटर में देखते हैं 3 to the power, यहाँ पे 3 to the power 7 है, यहाँ पर 3 to the power 5 है. इन दोनों की पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी. विल गेट 3 to the power 12 इंटू, ये दोनों कर दिया हमने. ये 5 to the power 7 है, ये 5 to the power 3 है. इनकी पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी. 5 to the power 10 and this is 2 to the power 10, 2 to the power 12. Add these two, will get 2 to the power 22. Sorry, 2 to the power 22 in the denominator. This is in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n. So इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे तो क्या 2 to the power 21 minus 22 and we are left with 2 to the power 21 minus 22 कितना आएगा?